ஓகேங்களா? இந்த குழந்தை என்ன பண்ணுதுன்றதை இப்போ பார்ப்போம்.
She is going to answer the GK questions.
கண்ணு கலங்குதா?
What is your name?
My name is Patricia.
Which class are you studying?
I study in KG.
Name of your school? What is your father name? What is your mother name? Where do you live? Which is our country? Which fruit is red color? Where does a lotus grow? Which twinkle in the sky? How many sides does a triangle? What is the shape of an egg? Which is the fastest way of transport? Name the game which is played with bat and ball. What color do you see in a traffic signal? Where should we cross the road? Which organ is used to taste food? Name 5 sense organs. What is our national bird? What is our national animal? What is our national flower? What is our national tree? What is our national game? What is our national fruit? What is our national anthem? Who is our prime minister? Who is our chief minister? Who is our father of nation? Which dance famous in Tamil Nadu? What are the colors in our national flag? Who treats the passion? Who teaches the lesson? Who put the injection? Who brings us letter? Who catches the thief? Which animal is biggest? Name some domestic animal. Name some wild animals. Which animal can jump from tree to tree? Which animal is used for riding? Which bird crow early in the morning? How many colors in a rainbow? Which day celebrated on Children's Day? Days of the week. Which are the vowels? Which room